Okay, so this is what I'm really curious about now, is because I'm super stoked on iRacing and want to get started. So what is the like? How do I get into it? What kind of equipment do I need? What PC do I need? What wheel? Like, what do you kind of recommend for people who want to jump into this?
So we do have a whole section on our site on iRacing.com under membership that outlines a lot of this for you. You can actually log in with the computer that you've got, click on hardware requirements, and then click on Can My System Run iRacing, and it'll just flat out tell you. Again, the same way as real motorsport, you can make this as expensive or inexpensive as you want to, depending upon how determined you are. There are a lot of consumer-grade wheel and pedal sets out there that will only run up to a few $100s, that are very durable, that are very responsive, that offer force feedback, which is that wheel shake that sort of tricks your brain into, having that almost... It tricks your brain into thinking you have the seat of your pants feeling, kind of, right?
Right. Okay.
And then, I mean, there's more intensive stuff out there. There are guys who spend tens of thousands of dollars on rigs, with that full-on immersive force feedback because they want it to be as close to the real thing as possible, But you really can get started for, a few $100s for the wheel and pedal set. Again, right now, I do not recommend this unless there's another wheel and pedal shortage, like the great wheel and pedal shortage of 2020, when everybody was trying to log on and everybody was signing up. And there actually was a pretty big backlog of just people trying to get new equipment. And sometimes it would take weeks or months because everybody was trying to get on. And the industry wasn't, prepared for a year like that because, well, let's be real, nobody was. But I do use a $20 wired Xbox controller just for the sake of being able to get on if I need to take screenshots or something. Mm-hmm. I'm not turning competitive laps. I'm 6-7 seconds off the pace on a 30-second lap. I do not recommend it. There are a couple of guys out there who are good enough that they're able to do something with it, but again, it's not what we're designed for. You should be racing iRacing with the wheel and pedals, and whether you want to buy sort of a setup for it where there's specialty hardware where you can feel more like you're in the seat of the real thing, or whether you just want to clamp it to your desk and use a chair from the kitchen table. Some of our most talented iRacers who have actually made it the furthest in the real world are the guys who run with a desk chair in their home office.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. All right, you did it? Okay, I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats, and all you have to do is click that subscribe button right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. All right, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very good.